So you want to make some ramps, and I'm making these ramps because as a show, I want to get my back of my RV up higher so I can actually crawl under it, so I can get to the gas tank. I could do it on a jack stand, on the jack, but so this would be more awesome. I was trying to find some that I can accommodate dualies, but not really. So technically you can just drive single ramp, single wheel in the back because it's a dually, but I will feel safer if it's for dually, so two wheels sit on it. So let me go over this thing. So it lifts up roughly 10 inches. So if I measure my belly, it's roughly 9 inches. So it gives me a little extra clearance between whatever the bottom and top of this. So quite important. That's how the size came about. Most ramps I don't think go as high. So you can actually go higher if you like. It's all about the ramp angle. So this thing is set to roughly 12 degrees I think. Some other ramps have it like at 7-10 degrees. I went a little higher because my trailer behind me has much steeper ramps and I can drive up them. So the bill of material will be posted below, so I'll just put it in there. All of this is from Home Depot and none of this is cheap, so it's definitely more expensive than your regular Walmart plastic ramp, which go for like 35 bucks a pair. This is quite a bit more. I went to Home Depot because it's the easiest thing, but whatever your hardware store is. So the ramp itself is, you have two different lumbers here, 2x8s and 4x4s. So the 2x8, you have a ramp, two pieces of 33 inch. The platform that it lands the wheels are going to be 11 inch. Alright, I made these little helpers to support the ramp because the ramp only sits on top of this ledge. So I wanted to have a little extra something, maybe, I don't know if it'll help. It's just like 9-inch piece, also the same. This board is 16 inches, it goes across. The width of my outside to outside of the wheel for the dualies I have is roughly 16 inch, but that's like accounting a little bit for the sidewall, so it's gonna be here and here. I'll space them out a little bit just in case, but whatever. So cover this part. I have 4x4s. This is roughly 11 inch, so I have three pieces of 11 inch and I have two pieces of 16 inch. I got this pressure treated wood. It's very wet. I was cutting it by hand at the Home Depot, so it fits in my car. It's very hard. It's quite annoying because the blades. Anyways, you have two of those, and just in case, I added also two footers so that the pressure of the RV or whatever sits on top of it, and they are 13 inch, and there's two of them. So I got some screws, drill bits, and other stuff. I'll put that in the description, what the hell I used. So let's start kind of putting it together, I guess. Let me go get the other stuff. It has some mess to it. I need to put a couple of little pieces here in the back for a stop, and kind of want to put the same ones in the front. So let's make those right now, and this is just addition. And I put the little extra scrap piece here, just so it ties it together a little bit better, because I didn't feel like tight enough. And there you go. Oh boy. Yeah, let's see how it works. So there you go. This ramp failed. Meh. The other one worked perfectly fine. So learn from this lesson is that the little front sections needs to be different. I need to fill this up. I'm gonna get rid of the front. I'm just gonna leave the back. Like I'm gonna make this smaller, maybe like angled or something. So I'm gonna change this side. This side I just have to fix up, because this ball screws, the way they are, I have to change them to lag bolts. I definitely have to upgrade them to something heftier. So I'm gonna just put lag bolts here. I'm gonna get whatever lag bolts I need. Probably like 3/16 or quarter or 3/8, whatever I find in a hardware store. I'm just gonna shove them in so they go inside more, because they just pulled out. So there you go. The RV is heavier than the pull-out force of 6 this wood deck screws. Anyways, so this worked okay. This little section here failed, so upgrade that, change that to that, so it'll be flat here. I'm fairly happy. It worked, but life is a learning lesson, so we take what we get and upgrade and improve, basically. So yeah. Obviously, if I had somebody else here spotting me, it'd be easier to drive up. This way I would not have to get on and off. But I can see that this wheel was here, this was here, so it more or less worked out, you know? Capish? Anyways, I need to go poo. So, talk to you later. It's very crooked, but it worked. Next one. Close enough. These two go like this. This one goes like so. Like here. And then one more of this goes like so. And that's basically the idea of it.